There's an earthquake right now. Holy shit, that is strong. Like, it feels like everything is moving right now. Still going. Oh, that is strong. Oh, power's out. We just lost power from the earthquake. Oh, power's back. Nope, it's gone. This is bad. If we're losing power... Still going. I'm trying to walk across the room. Holy shit, in here is swinging like crazy.
Yeah. Holy f***! Holy f***! Oh my god! Holy f***! Holy f***! Oh my god! Yeah. One of the trolleys is sitting over there.
What are you just seeing you inside?
Around the country, people are moving to higher ground. In Wellington, people have gone up Mount Victoria, Wainuiomata, anywhere around the coast, they have moved to higher ground. And certainly the advice at this stage is to stay where you are. We have just got something through from St John Ambulance here. St John is sending its command unit towards Kaikoura. There are potential issues with the roads. However, they're hoping to get to Hanmer Springs and to Kaikoura by...
We'll come and get some beer and clothes.
This dramatic footage shows the moment a 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit New Zealand. The quake northeast of the country's largest city, Christchurch, hit just after midnight local time on Sunday.
It was horrible. It started off with just a little bit of a roll, and then it must have lasted about 40-45 seconds. Yep, and then there was a jolt, wasn't there, hun?
Police said at least one person was killed in the tremor. The full extent of damage caused by the earthquake is still unclear, but the country is generally better prepared for natural disaster than in the past, although Christchurch is still recovering from a 6.3 magnitude tremor in 2011, which killed 185 people and caused widespread damage.
In an unsafe environment.